Oh, you guys good?
Don't want to ruin the video, man.
Nah, he good. I got enough followers on my YouTube channel. I'm good. Thank you, though. Huh?
What's your YouTube?
It's Stookie 101. I just got here April, and since my brother joined the car club, I just been adding to. I was retired from the military.
Oh, what was your branch?
Army.
What was your noise?
Diesel mechanic.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, this dude 20 years. April 1st.
The four of us were actually in the Navy. That's why I thought it was.
Oh wow! Congratulations on that, man. Yeah.
You said it was what again?
STU.
STU.
KIE.
KIE.
101.
101.
That's it. Stookie 101. It's me smoking a Twix in the front. That's me right there.
Okay, man.
I'll subscribe back to you, man. Like leave it.
I didn't do anything.
No, you're good. You're good.
You guys local, right?